Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn how we can create the slides or the slider that will help us to jump from one sheet to another. Like we have the different sheets like dashboard, payroll, finance and accounts, and the same we have here, and we have the dashboard, but we want to jump from this a slide to the different slide. Now like if I want to go here in the payroll, I simply click on it, so it will jump me to the payroll. Now if I want accounts, it will help me to go here in the accounts, finance, dashboard, payroll, finance, accounts, payroll, dashboard. So how we can create this type of slide function that will help us to jump from one destination to the different destination or sheets in Excel using this simple technique. So let's start our example. In this example, we have the data and we have three different tabs as well. You can use your own tabs or own related data, like in the expense, you can write here the revenue data or different sources or the pages. So in this first page, what we need to do here, we simply go here in the insert tab and select the bar or select the shape. So I simply select here the shape and I go here till the bottom, and then we simply need to select the color. So you can select your own desired color, and like I use here this yellow color. After completing this color, what we need to do here, we simply need to write here our title or our data related things. Like I just copy and paste, and here what you need to do, you simply need to go here and you need to create the tabs. Like I simply go and write here first like dashboard. This is our first tab. You can increase the size as well if you want to. Like if I increase here, so, or you can decrease or make it better. Then what you need to do here, you need to again make different tabs. Like here I write your payroll. This is my second tab which will connect this worksheet. Now I go here and write here the third tab which is finance, and similarly I create another tab which I write here accounts. Now what I need to do here, I simply need to place it in a presentable manner, and then so after placing it in the presentable manner, what I need to do here, I can increase the size or decrease the size as per our own need. Now I just make it better and then place here. Now after completing this, what we need to do here, we simply go here and in the insert tab, again I write or again I go here in the shapes and select this shape. Now I change the color, like I select here the green color. You can select your own desired color as well. And then what I need to do here, I go here and then make it send back, and again send back, or you can see here send back. Now you can see we got here our data. So if we are on the first tab, we will get here this type of link. Now if I just no outline or No. Now you can see here, you can increase or decrease, but what we need to do here, this is our first tab. Now I simply copy and go here in the payroll, I paste here. Now we got the same, and the similar way I go here and place the data on each tab. Now what we need to do here, you can change or you can make it more better, like if we select this dashboard, so it will make bold or it will make large. This is our first. Similarly, if we go here in the payroll, now what we need to do here, we simply place this tab here and make it more large. Similarly, if I go here in the finance, so I simply go here, and then what I need to do here, I simply increase the size. Again, in the accounts, I simply select this tab and go here. Then what I need to do here, I simply make it large. So if I go here in the dashboard, payroll, finance, and then accounts, so we have completed this. Now what I need to do here, I need to link all these tabs. So how I can link? First, I need to select this dashboard option, then go here in the link, and in the link we have multiple functions like here. So what we need to do, we need to select this and place in this document, and here you can see this dashboard, so it linked here. Now again I go here in the link, and this will link here payroll, in the finance link, and it will link here in the finance, and accounts it will link here in the, basically these are the sheets name, so I just write here or click on accounts. So it done this. Now again I go here and link this to the dashboard, link this to the payroll, then we need to link this finance, and then last we need to link this accounts. In the similar way, we need to perform the same, like go here in the link dashboard and the payroll. This is one time activity, and we need to perform and we need to complete it, and after completing it will create a dashboard like function, or the dashboard like presentation. Again I go here and link this to the dashboard, the payroll, then go here in the finance, in the last one we go here in the accounts. I select this one. Now we have completed our whole dashboard function. Now what we need to do here, we simply need to select the data, and it will automatically go, like if I select the payroll, so you can see here I go here in the payroll. Now if I write here finance, so you can see I go here finance. If I select accounts, so I got accounts. So in the similar way, you can use this type of dashboard tab functions. It will automatically link you to the different or the multiple sheets. This is how we have learned to create the bar or the simply slide function in the Excel. By click on it, we will jump to the sheets. If you face any issue, please write in our comment section.